Alright boys, Deus 2. Now it's got version 2.00 in it, but you can see this with earlier versions. Okay. Now, you got all these speed settings on this detector. Would you be a fool to walk into a high iron sight running this machine at a speed 4 or 5? The answer is no. You would only be a fool though if you went in there hunting speeds 4 and 5 and you decided after doing that you had cleaned this side out. Then you would be a fool. You need to run some slower speed. Well, we're going to look at the speed on this detector again. Now, I may actually turn this camera off eventually, and I may shift this. I don't know yet. You see them two nails? There's the 2 and 4. That old nickel's down there, ain't it? Alright. We'll just look at sensitive FT. The silencer is at -1. That will show enough in this video. Iron FET is off. Speed number 5. You see that meter? Alright. Speed 4. You see that meter? Speed 3. You see that meter? Speed 2.5. No ID. Let's check that again. Okay, so we are still getting ID 2.5. Speed 2. Signal has all but vanished. No ID. Speed 2. You hear that? Speed 1.5. Okay. Whoops. Get my fingers to working here, boys. Going back to speed 3. Now there's no notch in this machine. Notice that was a slow sweep. So we're coming across this pretty good. Speed 3. Not very good, huh? Speed 4 on a sweep. Better. Still not stellar. Speed 5. Better. Go back to speed 3. Shaky. Speed 4 on the sweep. Better. So you could use speed 3 on that. Your call sweep speed could be a driver. Okay? See, if I get over that with speed 3, I'm getting that ID. Let the machine time out. Now, if I come across that, little squee-up signal there, speed 4 on the sweep. A better signal, speed 5. A better signal, however, note, on a sweep, no ID, but a better signal, 2.5, slow sweep, see there? So you see how you could go into a sight behind somebody? I mean, I'm going to share a little story with you here. This happened to me with a Deus 1. Now, you know, you could be standing in a sight, your cell phone could ring, okay? Just pretend, all right? Let me go back here to speed 2.5. Okay, so I'm in speed 2.5. Notice, no signal on sweeps. So you could be out detecting. You could dig a find, or somebody could call you on a cell phone. Somebody could yell at you, a friend to talk to. But you've stood up after digging a find. Alright? So, you know, you got to start your call back on the ground somewhere, don't you? Now, you know, normally when you start sweeping a call, you know, you don't drop the call on the ground like this. Start sweeping, you know, you sort of gradually take off with the call in your sweep speed. You know, you build your momentum somewhat. Well, watch what could happen here. So I've dug a find, I've stood up, I was interrupted. My detecting was interrupted for whatever reason. And I set the coil back down on the ground. You see that? You detected that, didn't you? But if I'm out in the wild as such, and here I come, see there? No detection. Slow down. Okay? Again, this is what could be happening in some of your sites, even by the same detectorist. So a slower sweep speed can bring some targets to life running, let's just say less than stellar for the detecting scenario. But you can get away with it. You could creep around in a site in speed 2, 2.5, and sniff out something. If you went in there and you swept fast running those 7, you might not hear a damn thing. Okay, I'm going to turn this camera off, and if I don't add anything more, that's going to conclude the video, but I may change this just a little bit. Alright, that's going to conclude the video. Now, there may be some people out there, you know, they have an opinion about me, like, oh, sharpshooter, he don't detect, all he does is plays on this phone. You boys better be thinking again about that, okay? A lot of what I'm showing you on this phone is derived from quite a few of the things I've seen in the wild over the last almost 14 years.